Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you some doodles. In my future videos I'm gonna do more doodle videos because I'm just a beginner about it, so it will help you more that what I draw or what not, and you can also try this too. If you love my video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and please, if you love my video and if you want to see more art, then you can also visit my Instagram. I have left the link of my Instagram on the in the description box. If you want, then you can check that out. I'm applying color right now. It's watercolor. I'm applying watercolor right now. In my future videos, I'm gonna do just with the pen, and even you can do with your pencils. You don't need to have watercolor. You can also do it with pen, just pen, pencil, anything, and it can be anything. You can draw anything. Just think about it and draw. By the way, if you want to dry it first, because it's a watercolor, so if you want to dry it first, then you can use hair dryer to dry it. I use it and it's good because it helps the painting to dry fast. If you want, then you can take help from hair dryer. When I was drawing it, I started drawing it, I didn't know what to draw. I was thinking that let's put color on paper and let's think about it, what it can uh, what it can be look like and what it can be like. So this is how I start to draw it. Now it's looking like a old man's face. It's looking like an evil person, an evil person's face, a villain's face. This one looking like that. Now I'm gonna draw like a cow, though it's not looking like a cow face, but if you watch it carefully, then you will get to know that it's looking like kinda cow. When I was drawing it, then I was not thinking about that much. That's why it's not looking like a perfect cow, but it's kinda looking like that. There's a nose holes. This is eye. Now I'm gonna draw a cat with a wall. At first I'm drawing the cat. Here is the wall. Now it's looking like a face, a person's face with some glasses. It's looking like an emoji. It's done. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.
পড়াশোনা একটা না আরো আছে কাদের হার বেড়ে গেছে